everybody! In this video, I will show you how to do an effect that is kind of creepy, like somebody's looking at you through the mirror. It's very easy to do. We're gonna use Premiere Pro, and it's so easy. I mean, it's just one mask, but it's so easy. Let's go to Premiere Pro. Okay guys, the first thing is to film with the tripod, and don't move the tripod. Sometimes also, and think about this, sometimes even when you are in a tripod, when you click the button to start recording, the camera moves a little bit. So also that can make a little difference in between one video and the other, and it's gonna make it a little bit more difficult to make the mask at the end. It's not impossible, it's nothing out of this world, but if you can do it properly from the beginning, come on, don't waste your time, do it properly. Also, when you are recording next to the mirror, when you are talking, try not to move too much. Try that your hands don't touch the mirror or touch your face in the mirror, because then that's gonna be very difficult to create a mask. So please, let's make our lives easier and let's try to do the things properly. Let's think before we record, okay? Now let's go, I will show you how to do it. So we have here the first video, of course, is my talking head. I'm talking to the camera, and as you can see, if you see my hands, I'm not touching the mirror, you see? Now we're gonna put the second video, which is me in the mirror, looking at the mirror. We're gonna put it over here on the top. So if we click here, we can see the video on the bottom is me talking. Okay, we're gonna create the mask in the first video. We're gonna click here, and we're gonna create the mask. Because I was not touching the mirror or any part of here, then it makes my life easier to make the mask. We're gonna go to 50% here so that we can create the mask. The point is not to touch the Mario in the mirror, so we're gonna do like that, and like that. And that's it, that's it. Look at this. Let's click in the empty here so that we can see the mask. Look, it's done. Okay, one thing that I want to tell you before we go and correct these little details that could be some mistakes is that I was using natural light, and when you're using natural light, like right now I'm using the window, it's a problem. If there is a cloud and covers the sun, the light changes, and that can happen in 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So we have to be very careful when we are recording. Let's try to do it fast. That's why you have to plan it, have everything ready, and then you record, okay? Because it's literally, it's just a cloud, something happened, the sun is moving, everything can happen within 3 minutes, so better be careful. So now if we go back here and we see the image and we go to, like, I don't know, 200% so that we can see closer. So let's check here. I think there's no problem with the light. The mask is passing through here, there's no problem. We come here, no problem. Here we can see a little bit here. You see, it's like a little move, the video. I don't like it. Maybe it's when I pressed the button when I was recording, the camera moved a little bit and filmed that part like this. Maybe. So what I can do is come here in mask feather, and we go, instead of 10, let's put 50. And if we go up again and we start to check everything, I think it's kind of fixed. It's not visible here, it's just a tiny thing, but remember that we did 200%, because if we go to the regular size, actually it's not visible. We can keep correcting, we can keep going into details, maybe moving the video 1 point up or 1 point down, and it's gonna be fixable. But this is nothing out of this world. For me, this video is okay, this is perfect. I will leave it like that. So as you can see, the video is done. Look, very easy. Now, I know that there's gonna be some people that are gonna put in the comments, Mario, I know how to do it in a different way. Mario, I do it like this, I do it like that. Perfect. Don't tell me in the comments that you know how to do it in a different way. Tell me how you do it, because it's always good to learn between each other, you know? I learn from you, you learn from me, and all the community learn at the end, because I know that some of you guys are reading the comments. And this is the way, when I started in the world of videography and I started to edit many years ago, I always look in YouTube and tutorials how to do the same thing 2 or 3 times different, because like this you learn more. And then when you are in a problem, you are editing and a problem comes and how can I fix this problem? You have more ideas, you have more knowledge, and you know how to fix it. So try to do it. Actually, if you can find a way that it's easier than this one, please let me know in the comments. How can it be easier than this one? Come on guys. And now, until next week.